Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you're new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below if you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So we're finna go ahead and bring it on in, you guys. This is me starting off with a bare face, no lace, okay. Nah, but we're finna go ahead and get into this primer. I have been using the Fenty Beauty primer and it's so soft and it's just really just bare. It don't feel like you like putting nothing on your face besides moisturizer. Speaking of moisturizer, I did go ahead and moisturize my face off camera whenever I did my morning skincare routine. So I will be using two foundations. I will be going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 420, and I'm also going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous foundation in the shade 470C. Y'all, the 470C, it just works so freaking good. But I said, you know what? I'm not going to be doing a really crazy beat today. I wanted to do something very soft, you know, very 90s era, okay? Because, yes, I love the way they makeup look, they hair look. Yes, the whole style, the whole era, everything just my vibe, okay? Your girl love 90s fashion. I just love everything 90s. Like, that was the time to be alive. And, of course, your girl is a 90s baby. Also, a major thing with this is, yeah, it just reminds me of my mom's style. Like, as I look at her old photos and everything of her, like everything from the hair, the makeup, how they did their makeup, how they used to wear their nails. Now, they used to wear their nails, my mama and my aunties and stuff, they used to wear their nails like, you know, shebang, boom, boom, pop. Like how the girls wear their nails now. And I don't really wear my nails like that. I kind of like my nails this square and this simple. You know, I don't really do too much. But they like, yeah, they used to really be doing it up like how the girls do now. So, yeah. But overall, just in general, I just used to like how she dressed and just how she, you know, her whole makeup and how she did her hair and everything. And yeah, y'all, the whole 90s vibes is remind me of my mom a lot. But today I just wanted to, you know, go ahead and do some 90s inspired makeup with this look, you guys, and just, yeah, see what I can do, because your girl is trying more natural makeup styles and just more wearable makeup. Like, you know, you can wear your makeup whenever, but yeah. So you can wear your makeup however you want to wear it or whatever. But I'm just saying, like, for me, I don't wear the makeup all the time that you see me do. And I'm trying to do more wearable looks that I normally wear out when I do wear makeup, because a lot of times I just be like, well, you know, I'm not gonna put no makeup on because I don't feel like doing all that, whatever. So I just wear my natural face, because I don't mind wearing my natural face. It's not a problem, you know. I don't mind it. Like, I am very confident in my skin, so I don't have to wear makeup all the time. And I'm just, yeah, I don't wear makeup all the time. However, you guys, I forgot to tell you what products I am using. I am going in with the Fenty Beauty concealer, which I showed you guys, and I'm also using the Fenty Beauty truffle. It came in the matchstick trio, and I contoured with that, and I'm just blending everything out. And I used two powders today, the Fenty Beauty hazelnut powder, and I also am going to be using the Airspun powder in a translucent shade. But yeah, back to the little shake shade, you guys. I am loving the whole soft era of the makeup and everything. And I do like colorful looks, but, you know, I have been toning it down since your girl is, you know, heading on into her 30 soon. Your girl has been toning a lot of things down, because I don't know. It's just not that I'm forcing it. It just became more natural to do. At first, I used to just, you know, my style just used to be a little different with the clothing, the makeup, the hair. But yeah, your girl is just toning everything down. I can feel me like becoming a better evolving woman, and I'm loving that for me. But yeah, you guys, I just was like, you know, the 22 millimeter don't go with this natural hair I got, you know, can't be doing all that. Now, I do like when the girls be wearing lashes like that. I love to see y'all be looking cute, the vibes be cute. I like to go watch my old videos of me doing it big with those lashes in the hair, bust down and all of that. But as I'm wearing my natural makeup, in my natural hair, I like to have natural makeup. I don't like to have to do too much because I just want to give the natural, effortless look to it, okay? Where it look like you ain't do too much, but you did something, and that's what we doing. So I'm doing a simple eye look. I'm taking this Juvia's Place Warrior palette, taking this brighter shade and putting it right up under the bone. It's gonna look a little white because if y'all look at the 90s makeup, how they used to do it, like underneath the bone, like the brow bone, it used to be like super pale right there. Like I don't know if they used to use a lot of highlighter or they just used to use like a bright whitish color that's not their skin tone. And yeah, you guys, so I was just like, I want to kind of recreate that. And my inspiration was just overall 90s makeup, how they do their makeup. It just be looking effortless, okay? The face don't look like it did too much, but it looked like they really put it on softly and just together. And that's what I was trying to do on this video. Now, I feel like I aced it for the most part because I didn't really do too much makeup. I didn't do a lot of foundation or whatever and a lot of different powders, and I just feel like the skin still look like skin. It don't look like I didn't copy and paste, like it don't look really, really heavy, and this don't look like very full coverage. So that's what your girl is pretty much going for. And then I'm using this Morphe 3502 palette. Now, you guys, I don't know if they still sell this palette. They probably do. But me, I said, I need to pan some palettes up in here because I do give away a lot of makeup like that I know I'm not going to use. It's brand new. I don't use it or whatever. And I like my sisters or whoever come over or whatever, and they'll be like, oh, why you don't use this, blah, blah, blah. And I'll give it away, because it'll just be sitting there not being used. Also, just in general, just giving away makeup and things away because it don't be no point in me keeping them. Now, this palette in particular, I decided to keep because it has a lot of neutral colors and everything like that. And your girl is more in her neutral bag, okay? Now, I will switch it up and put a little color sometime like that, because you can look classy with a little pink eyeshadow on. It just all depends on how it's done. Like, you can look classy and you can look like you ain't, you ain't trying to look like Krusty the Clown and stuff, You could tone it down and look very like elegant and nice with color shadows. It's just all about how it's done. And yeah, it's just how it's done. All right. And your girl is here to show you how it's not I was playing, but I'm showing y'all how I'ma do it, okay? But yeah, I'm using that translucent powder like I told you guys. And now I'm just going to be blending everything out because, yeah, I don't never add anything to my foundation brush. I just always use whatever is on there and just like blend out. Like I just use it as like a blender for everything. Like anything I put on my face, I go back in with the foundation brush and just blend it all out. And right now you just see me using a contour from the Black Radiance. It is in the color Deep or Ebony. I forgot the actual name, but yeah. And then I'm just going to be using it for my nose. That's all areas that I normally contour and just carve out on my face. That's what I'm pretty much going to be doing. And then I will be using this bronzer. This bronzer is the Maybelline City bronzer, and I am in the shade Deep. And I'm just going to be going over all of those contour areas that I had did, okay? And I'm just going to be blending that out using the same brush. Like most of the time when I'm doing contour or bronzer, I use the same exact brush, and I'm using this Milani highlighter. This highlighter is so bomb. It's like a golden shade, and it really looks like a natural glow. Like it don't look like you're doing too much when you putting this on at all. Like you can see it, but you can't really see it. And I like to go in and just blend everything out with my foundation brush like I told y'all. This palette is from Dove Cosmetics, and I actually forgot that I had this, but this blush is actually really, really bomb. And I had decided to mix two of them today for this particular look because they was heavy on the blush in the 90s, baby. Okay, and then I went ahead and just blended it out, just toned it out a little bit to my liking. And I'm going to be using the Monica spray to this Can't even talk today, y'all. To just blend and spray everything on out and just make everything fall together. Using a black liner to give me like a sharper, more detailed eye look, because they did used to wear that liner, baby. Okay, and then I thought about it, like they didn't even have that many products back in the day, like for real. So that could be that too. And they didn't have, they didn't really wear lashes like that. They mainly use mascara and everything like that. But today your girl gonna throw on some lashes. Now they ain't the big 22mm lashes. Okay, y'all can go shop Baddie Lash House for these lashes, and they are in the style classy. Okay, I don't have a code at the moment for you guys, but yeah, y'all can just shop this. This stuff don't even cost that much. Like, so bum, don't cost that much, and they look so freaking good. Now on this particular video, I was going to show you guys how I do my hair as well, and also me doing this quick little makeup look. Like, it really didn't take me that long to do this makeup, and I love it. Like, I'm just to the point where I want to enjoy doing my makeup, because I do enjoy doing my makeup, but then I don't want to be taking all day to do it, okay? Because when I'm doing them creative looks, they do take up a lot of time, and they also just in general, take a lot of effort sometimes to do. Some of them, okay, but this one in particular did not take that long to do it all. It's kind of like one of them looks you can do a little quick little 1-2. This the quick 1-2 right here, okay? But yeah, these are what the lashes look like. So freaking cute and bomb. And then I will be taking this Ruby Kisses dark brown lip pencil and just lining out my lips. Now I did decide to do a brown lip, but I ended up taking it off, and then I went in with this lipstick that I also have from Dove Cosmetics that I've never used before, and I'm not sure of the shade right now, and I'm not even sure if this company is still open. But yeah, I decided to use this today because I'm trying to use a lot of my makeup that I have before I just get rid of it, okay? And before I just overall buy even more makeup. I'm using the ABH Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. I believe it's ebony or dark brown, but I'm using one of those shades to do my brows today. And I'm doing something very quick, something simple, still look natural, don't look like I'm doing too much. And I will be carving it out using carving them out. Same thing. I will be cleaning them up using the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in the shade Deep. And so that's going to be doing that today, blending it out, making them look thin. I love the way the brows look. Like, they ain't really do too much like how we do. We fill them in, and ours do be looking good, okay? Because, times have changed. But I love how thin and natural it looked, especially when they were wearing like they natural hair, or when they had like the braids or whatever, and they was doing the makeup with the braids. That whole thing was really, really cute. And so, yeah, your girl was like, I'm going to make mine look really thin. My brows are already thin in general, but yeah, I don't have to, like, I guess wax them as much because they don't really grow super thick. But yeah, so we're going to move on to the hair. This is what my hair looks like. I kind of like put a little mousse on the ends, like I guess the edges, that's it. And then I tied it down while I was doing my makeup. And then I went ahead and used some of this heat protectant. And then I went in with some Bio Silk. Now, you guys, you probably do hear cars passing by. It's raining, cars driving crazy and wild outside, driving fast, and y'all can hear them, okay? But this is all I'm going to be doing, something quick. I'm also using this heat protecting spray that I've showed you in my previous videos. Now, you guys, if you guys are interested in like a full detailed hair video and not me just doing a little quick little 1-2 for you, then make sure you check out my latest videos, because I did show y'all in detail how I get my looks for my actual hair. And right now I was just doing a quick little bump, little 1-2, not doing too much, because I told y'all I don't really like to put a lot of heat on my hair, because I still want to remain healthy. And even though you're using heat protecting, your hair can still get a little damaged from you using heat so much. So I try to avoid using heat a lot on my hair and just maintain a healthy, relaxed pixie cut. Okay, and I feel like it works out for my hair because I don't have any breakage or shedding or damage, and I'm so thankful for that. And yeah, so if you guys want like detailed videos, make sure y'all check that out. I'm going to be using this braid gel. Now, on my previous video, I told y'all about this. It worked better as an edge control, which I do feel like when you're using your real hair to braid, it's going to like flake up, or that's what I experienced. Let me say that. But you guys, this is the final look. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe if you are new. And I thank you guys who are returning. And drop your comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next one.